Tesla's semi-truck promises to shake things up as it happens in any business or market Musk enters. With advantages like low cost of ownership, less downtime due to less maintenance required, convoy mode, and rapid acceleration, the trucking industry doesn't know what is hitting them yet. However, before it can disrupt the trucking world, Tesla needs not only to complete the truck, but to have a plant where it could make the battery-powered trucks. In this video, we go inside Tesla's semi-truck factory. Presenting the semi-truck in 2017, Musk estimated the all-electric Class 8 truck would be ready for deliveries in 2019. That deadline came and went, forcing Tesla to update the delivery timeline to 2020. However, COVID happened, the companies that didn't fold couldn't meet their targets, and the semi-truck delivery was postponed again. News of semi-truck deliveries starting later this year began to float around again, but here we are with no semi-truck yet. However, when the truck is ready, it is going to be worth it. Many top logistics companies are keeping the faith as well with their orders, including Pepsi, Walmart, Anheuser-Busch, and City Furniture. The electric truck, which will be offered in 300 miles and 500 miles range options, promises less than 2 kilowatt-hours per mile. It is an aerodynamic marvel, attaining a low-drag coefficient of 0.35. Tesla obsesses about performance, and it is evident in the semi-truck, which can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 20 seconds with an 80,000 pounds load. Thanks to a system of 4 electric motors with instant traction control, it will literally zip up grades and inclines. The electric motors are independent and can receive different amounts of power from the battery based on the condition of the road. Tesla claims this ability helps it to avoid jackknifing, the worst nightmare of every truck driver. Jackknifing happens when the trailer is moving faster than the cabin as a result of a failure of the trailer brakes. This happens when the driver is trying to brake at high speeds. Tesla says when jackknifing is about to occur, each wheel decides what to do to grip the road harder and prevent an accident. Apart from the increased safety, Tesla is touting the economic efficiency of the semi-truck, leading to incredible cost savings for fleet operators. According to the order page, the electric truck provides more than $200,000 in fuel savings with a 2-year payback period. Thankfully, Tesla is not putting a yoke in place of a steering wheel, but is putting the driver in the center of the cabin for a safer driving experience. The truck starts at $150,000, and you can reserve one today with a refundable $20,000 reservation fee. Tesla has been conducting road tests, prompting sightings by observers who are quick to whip out their phones for photos to share on social media. Coming to where Tesla would produce the semi-truck, Electrek first reported Tesla was operating in a giant building next to the Nevada Gigafactory in February 2020. The first Gigafactory, where Tesla makes battery cells and packs, drive units, and energy storage products, is among the largest buildings in the world, even though it was only 30% completed. Instead of completing and setting up a part of Giga Nevada, Tesla opted to operate out of a building next to the plant. Electrek sources claim Tesla would produce the semi-truck inside the new building. Fast forward to a year later, and we had news that Tesla was going to undertake limited production runs in the building near Giga Nevada. Inside the 500,000 square foot building, Tesla would make a total of 5 trucks per week, a far cry from the number Tesla would need to make to satisfy demands. Earlier in January, Tesla had announced vacancies for posts related to the semi-truck, lending credence to the claim that Tesla would make its electric truck there. The jobs included supervisor of maintenance and manufacturing equipment engineer. They would join other vacancies like process technicians. The hiring spree notwithstanding, it has been confirmed the property, occupying 550 Milan Drive, is housing a production line. 5 trucks per week, however, is a far cry from Musk's ambitions, as he looks to make 100,000 trucks per year to position Tesla as one of the leading manufacturers of electric trucks in the world. The production ramp-up will take place at the Austin Gigafactory when battery production has ramped up too. Speaking of battery production brings us to the reason for the latest delay. Unfortunately, Tesla has been forced to push the production of the semi-truck to 2022. Tesla had been making progress on the development of the semi-truck despite losing its former president of trucking, Jerome Guillen, in June. Electrek reported in July that the drive axle production line was ready and the general assembly line was going through its final debugging before starting production. However, without a battery, there can be no electric semi-truck. Musk himself dropped the bombshell at his company's earnings call. He had raised hopes in January by saying the engineering work on the semi-truck had been completed and deliveries were expected this year. However, Musk added a caveat that battery availability could affect Tesla's capacity to make the semi-truck. Musk was referring to the new 4680 batteries. So while it was disappointing to get official confirmation of the delay, it was not surprising. The semi-truck will debut with a new 4680 battery, and Tesla has been having a hard time at making it ready for use in its vehicles. It has not been able to bring its battery yield to production standard yet due to issues that came up during the pilot plant. Another casualty of the battery delay is the Model S, which Tesla wanted to ship with the new batteries. The company will now fall back on the 2170 batteries for the electric sedan. The 4680 battery, however, is not the only reason Tesla is pushing the electric truck to 2022. It is basically sacrificing the semi-truck by pushing it to 2022. Its focus is now on finishing the Berlin and Austin gigafactories, where it hopes to make the Model Y. According to its SEC filing in late July, the pace of the respective production ramps will be influenced by the successful introduction of many new product and manufacturing technologies, ongoing supply chain-related challenges, and regional permitting. To better focus on these factories and due to the limited availability of battery cells and global supply chain challenges, we have shifted the launch of the semi-truck program to 2022. It has been an uphill battle for Tesla to get permits for Giga Berlin, with opposition from local environmental groups and bureaucratic delays. So it makes sense Tesla would concentrate its energy on completing the factory, which it plans to use to boost its presence in Europe. While yet another delay would be disappointing to the companies that have made pre-orders and potentially give Tesla rivals the chance to beat it to the market, there is no doubt Tesla would take advantage of the delay to work on the truck. Musk had even boasted the delivered trucks would exceed the expectations set during the reveal. To ensure this, Tesla plans to dogfood the truck to his company. Semi-trucks will deliver products between Nevada and California. The route is a busy one for Tesla, as it often transports battery packs and drivetrains made at Giga Nevada to its Fremont factory where the electric vehicles are assembled. Musk had once described the logistics costs to move cargo between the two factories as gigantic. The route is 260 miles long, making it perfect for testing the electric truck. Apart from showcasing how the trucks would fare in daily usage, Tesla will be able to take its cost-saving claims from paper to real life. It could even test its convoy mode here. This isn't the first time Musk uses his company product to benefit or support his other companies. He used Tesla cars as operating vehicles in the Boring Company's Las Vegas Loop project. Tell us what you think of the Tesla semi-truck in the comment section.